Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize the Brave browser for better speed and performance. Whether you're dealing with slow loading pages, laggy tabs, or overall performance issues, or you simply want Brave to feel faster and smoother, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Brave browser and go to the main menu by clicking the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From there, head into Settings, then scroll down and click on About Brave. Once you're there, make sure your browser is fully up to date. Keeping Brave updated is important because updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Next, go back to Settings and click on Privacy and Security. Under the Delete Browsing Data option, clear your cache, cookies, and browsing data. Make sure to select All Time from the Time Range drop-down so everything is cleared properly. This helps free up space and can instantly improve browser speed. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Close unnecessary tabs, make sure Brave isn't syncing errors, and avoid running heavy apps in the background while optimizing. Doing this beforehand can save time and help prevent common slowdowns. Once that's done, click on Extensions from the left sidebar and open Manage Extensions. Disable or remove any extensions you don't actually use, since unnecessary extensions can seriously slow down Brave. After that, go to System Settings and turn off the option that allows Brave to keep running background apps when it's closed. Also, make sure hardware or graphics acceleration is enabled for better performance. Now, head back to Privacy and Security, click on Security, and change your DNS provider to Google or Cloudflare. Try both and stick with the one that feels faster for you. Then return to System Settings and ensure the Memory Saver option is enabled to reduce RAM usage. Finally, restart Brave to apply all the changes and enjoy a faster browsing experience. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to optimize the Brave browser and fix slow performance issues without any hassle. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it.